Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find phone numbers on Facebook. So let's say you want to find your friend's phone number on Facebook. Well, by following the step which I'm going to show you, if your friend has uploaded his phone number on Facebook, you will be able to see it. Now, only if they have uploaded their phone number on Facebook you can see it. Otherwise, you cannot see their number because it's a private thing and Facebook won't leak it unless they have made it public. So follow the step which I'm going to show you if you guys want to find your friend's phone number. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, after opening Facebook, you want to click on the search icon at the top of your screen. Once you click on the search icon, you want to search for your friend's name who's phone number you want to see. So I'm going to click on Luga T-Cert, one of my friend, because I want to see his number. I will click on it and then it's going to bring me to his profile. Now once I'm in his profile, what I can do is scroll a bit down and see this option called See Luga's About Info. I will click on it. Now once I click on his See About Info, it's going to show me his number right below contact info. As you guys can see, he's showing me this number. Now that's how you guys can find your friend's phone number on Facebook. But if my friend had not made this number public, then this is what the result would have been. So let me show you if the number was not public. If the number was not public, if I had clicked on See Luga's About Info, nothing would have been shown over here because he has made all his info private. But since he had made it public, I was able to see it. So that's how you guys can find phone number on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.